guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been so long after I post a video. So today I have just invented a gun using just this pen, just a clicky pen. So first you have to you have to disassemble it. Next, remove this things, refill and spring. Next, remove the spring, throw away the refill, throw away the body. Next, you just need these two things for the gun. So first you have to put this inside this. Next, hold it like this, push it inside. Next, click this, hold it tight and then release it. So guys, here is the spring. So guys, isn't it very cool? If you want more of things like this, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, please like this video. Thank you. Bye.